So yesterday we spoke about employees, but what about if you have contractors working for you, a team of freelancers rather than employees? Sometimes people talk about the pros and cons of both. The good thing about freelancers, contractors, is you're not paying their tax, they're dealing with that themselves. And it can also allow you a bit more flexibility with people coming and going. With employees, though, there tends to be a kind of greater sense of loyalty. Not always, every business structure is different. But if you're looking to have people on for the longer term, you tend to bring them on as an employee. So if you're taking on a contractor, what do you need to think about? Well, a contractor agreement is really, really important to set out the rights and obligations of both parties. You also want to make sure they comply with certain policies that apply to your business. Not a full set of employment policies, but nonetheless, there are certain behaviours and requirements that you'll want them to meet. With a contractor, really important that your IP clause is correct. So any work that they do for you is specifically said to be owned by you, because that's not always legally the case, and that they're signing up to non-competes and non-disclosure agreements.